everyone, today we're at the warehouse on Black Friday. $1 Hot Wheels. Oh yeah, hopefully. They don't have any signs up, but hopefully they've restocked in something. Well, there's no $1 special. Maybe it's on the Friday because we're here on Thursday.
This sale starts on Thursday, ends on
Yeah, we'll
Wednesday.
come here on Friday, but we've got someone out the back looking for these 50th favourites. These are on the pigs.
Yeah.
Apparently there are 5 boxes out there, so we'll see if we can get some more Kroger guesses, and if not, some more favourites. Oh, awesome! Thank you. We'll put them on the shelves if you want.
Cheers.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. And there are the boxes, and there are Kroger's. Boom.
Yeah, Kroger's in this one.
Kroger's.
Well.
Oh, and normal gases in that one. I'll have a look in this one. Let's open this one.
There you go.
Come on, third time's the charm. We've got to have some Kroger's in there. Yeah, 2 more.
Yes. Not bad. Not bad one bit.
Massive Kroger haul right there.
And for all the other cars.
Yeah, 1 little red in this, one little red in that, and 1 little red in that.
Wow.
Oh yes.
Someone's buying well out there. I think I might buy an extra bus. Nah. Okay, I'll restock the shelves with them.
So that's 6 Kroger exclusives and 1 little red per case. I think I might get an extra of that. Tim is just stocking the pigs. There's another pig that's labelled there.
Yep.
Someone's put other toys here, which is really annoying for all other customers. So someone's gonna come here and be very surprised after us.
You're like, oh my god. It's not the other collector where Matt comes and is able to get some.
Yeah. Oh gosh, there are too many. I actually need some of the boxes.
Good. For you.
Put them on the car culture one as well. These are actually more expensive than car culture. There we are.
Folding there.
And that's it. I'm taking all 3 boxes home.
Meanie.
Awesome. And then we've got all these. Awesome. Alright guys, so we've got bulging pigs, we've got 2 little red expresses on the pigs. This is Tim's haul.
Yeah.
I'm probably going to get all 4, maybe 3 Kroger's, because they're just so awesome. And also I've got so many people locally wanting to trade these for other cars that I need, so I'm going to be getting a lot of these because so I can get cars that I missed out on. So that is so good, so good. And these are the boxes. FLF35 is the code, 956C. I thought it would be a B code because it's wave B, but still, yeah, there are all the big deals. We've left both pinks on the pigs because I've already got a few of those, and they're not as special as the Kroger one. So thank you everyone so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.